Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I just want to show you how I'm using Autosnipe AI in combination with solscan.io to find a profitable wallet, okay, but which you might consider potentially to start copy trading, okay. I might say might consider, obviously, because you have to still do your own research, okay. This is something which I want to show you as a drill, what I'm considering, what I'm considering while searching for those type of wallets, which they are good candidates to be copy trade. However, whatever I'm saying here is not financial advice, guys. Everything what you do, you have to do your own research, and this video is only for educational and entertainment purposes. Okay, so now let's get into it. Okay, so Autosnipe AI, cool, very cool tool. Okay, we've got a few options here. We can do the AI snipering, okay, create, activate snipers and automate traders like a pro. Okay, and you can start doing the copy trading. Okay, in today's video we'll be focusing on the copy trading. You can do the trader lens as main vision they recently introduced. I think it was a couple of weeks ago. Very cool ideas. Okay, I'll be covering those options in the future videos. Okay, also, if you sign up through my link, okay, I'll be leaving that link inside the description of this video. Okay, you will receive 10% discount on their fees. Okay, so let's go to their fees tab, right? So I'm gonna explain you what I mean. Okay, Autosnipe fees, lowest trade fees among platforms, right? So if you just sign up for Autosnipe, you will pay 1% rebate, 1% fee of on every transaction, buy and sell every transaction, 1%, right? However, if you sign up using my referral link, okay, which will be inside the description of this video, that fee will go down to 0.9%. Okay, so it's a 10% discount on that. Okay, very interesting. Obviously, the sol fees are also applicable, but that's that's the gas fees which they always applicable on. It doesn't matter which network you're using, okay, or which platform. Okay, so guys, we are here now on Autosnipe. And let's say that we want to start copy trading. Okay, so let's go here and let's say, okay, so let's find somebody who is actually a good trader and we want to see, we want to start copy trading them. Okay, but the tricky thing is that you have to do due diligence before you decide to do so. Okay, because it really depends, who you start copying. Okay, like if let's say that some of those wallets, first of all, if you find a bot wallet, obviously it's gone. Like you cannot copy with you always lose against that one, right? Okay, some of the also traders are also using you as a they farming, they call it the farming liquidity, right? So basically what they do, they buying the asset, okay, and waiting for somebody actually like copy traders to just jump on that trade right after them, and once they see that they build the price of this will go up, suddenly they start selling that after a few seconds. Okay, so basically you guys, you're somebody who will actually copy the trade in those type of wallets, basically exit liquidity for them. Okay, so it's something which you obviously want to avoid. Okay, now if we go to Scan, okay, there are a few things which obviously you can go and check out on this site, right? But one of them is you can go and track the wallets, okay, which belongs to the bigger to the bigger platforms, right? So one of those platforms, I found the wallet there which belongs to one of the bots, right? So one of the bots who actually are trading, many people are using this one, so they actually using this wallet to actually go through all the transactions, all the fees of they're coming in, so this one of those bots, okay, and you can see all those transactions here are being visible, right? Okay, so we currently see that there's 156,000 USDC on it, okay, but what we want to do here, we can go to transfers, okay, because this wallet is also is receiving and transferring all the fees which coming through their platform, right? So to actually do some additional filtering on it, okay, we need to go to value and you put, let's say, I don't know, maybe value of 5. Okay, so let's say let's put it the value of 5. Okay, so basically those 5 like 6.48, this is a fee those wallet this wallet is paying to that platform. Okay, so basically what it means that if you the other thing which we have to do here is we just need to go and make sure that we are going in inflow, right? So okay, so once we're there inside the platform, let's, for example, this wallet is paying like $20 in just in fees, okay, inside that wallet, right? So what do we have to do? We just need to go through some of those wallets, okay, and making sure that we just want to find a good wallet, okay. So let's say that which we are potentially will start copying, right? So let's say that we want to go and check this one, okay. So just we go open a new screen, okay. So here's the wallet, okay, 29 tokens already inside a token balance currently, okay. So it's 19,561, okay, that potentially good, right? So what do we do next? We're gonna go and click on copy that wallet. We go back to our platform Autosnipe AI, and after under this copy trading, okay, we can go and paste that one here, and we can start copy trade this one, but we don't want to do it at this stage, or obviously, we need to do more due diligence, right? So that's why there's a few steps involved in it, okay. So when you go on the left hand side of Autosnipe AI, you will see that the icon says trading lens, okay. So trading lens, what it does, okay, it's analyze traders performance at hyper speed. So track any trader's portfolio, recent trades, token performance, and more before copying, okay. So that's why I'm saying, like, that's before you start copying anyone, okay. So you just need to do some research on it, right? So let's say that we paste this wallet here, and we're gonna click analyze address, okay. So it takes a little bit of time, okay, for analyzing. So basically what it does now, Autosnipe is just searching for that wallet, making sure that they're taking all the information out of that and it's digesting in a nicely approachable way to us, okay, to show us, okay. So now the report is ready. We just click view analysis, okay, and here's the wallet, right? So what it says here, okay? So we got current balance 19,708, okay, which is obviously that's very similar to what it says here, 19,561. There's a couple of $100 off, but that's no problem at all. That's something which obviously can go and be lost between different platforms when you're searching between this, like this Solscan, this platform, this Autosnipe, and any others. There are a few differences here and there. It doesn't matter. It's just, but it's very, it's nearly the same. Like, so I wouldn't put much of attention into that one, right? So total PNL, that's five. This fella is actually up 5%, right? On overall performance. Okay, so invested 467 souls. Okay, realized gains 63 souls. Unrealized gain minus 39. Net profit 24 souls. So fees paid 4 souls. Okay, for all this wallet. Okay, so for all the fees were paid for. So he's paying frequently. He's doing some sort of trading. Okay, so we know that there is somebody who actually do some trades, right? And so win rate 35%. Okay, we obviously will be looking for some probably like a 50, 60, or even 70% win rate. Okay, but we have to start somewhere, right? Trade activity on this account. So total buys 150, total sells 166. Average time per trade 24 minutes 33. Okay, and what else that is very interesting? Okay, it's top performance. Okay, you can see what are the top performing coins in this world, and top underperformance, right? So recent trade insights. Okay, didn't sell 29. Okay, snipes for 10 seconds. Okay, so basically zero, which basically means that this wallet is not a sniper's wallet. Basically, it's not a buying and suddenly selling. So it's a good news. Okay, when it comes to the token performance, okay, against over 500%, there's nothing there. Against between 2 and 500%, and against below 200% is 41. Okay, so 41 transactions were actually on the plus, right? So but they had like a less than 200% return on it. Okay, so this is one of the examples, right? So what we can do, okay, we can go one by one with those wallets. Okay, I just show you guys the drill. You just need to go search for those wallets. Let's say that we want to see what this wallet, for example, is performing. Okay, so we just need to go open that wallet here, okay, and we do it once again. Okay, we do some just some investigation on that wallet. We're copying again, we're going here and we're just starting all over again, right? So let's say that we want to now to analyze this wallet. We're just going to go inside the Autosnipe is doing its magic, is taking all the informations from that wallet, view analysis. There you go, boom, few seconds, and we already know everything about this wallet, what we need to know. Okay, this one at PNL is actually on the loss, right? So we don't think so. We want to follow this one, but still, like guys, you're gonna see what's going on here, right? Okay, so let's say that we decided that this one is actually somebody, let's say that this one is over 60%. Okay, I can spend all day like searching through those wallets. I just want to show you the drill, so, and I leave it with you guys, to go ahead and start doing those due diligence for yourself, right? But let's say that we want to start copying this one, right? If decided like, okay, that's wallet you might consider start copying. Okay, we just need to go and we need to click activate copy trading. Okay, and there we go. Okay, unique copy address name. Okay, and then buy exactly buy in percentage of actual trade. Okay, we got an option here. Okay, minimum buy, let's say the 0.1 sol. Okay, total sol to allocate, it's a 0.2, for example. It's something which obviously is up to yourself, whatever you want to decide. Okay, you can start trading on the Radium or on the Pump Fund. Okay, and or you can just make them both. Okay, it's stop loss trigger. Okay, that's also what you can go and set up. Okay, manual exit. Okay, so let's say you can sell 20% at the profit of 20%, 10% of the profit of 200%, and so on and so forth. Okay, so really up to yourself, whatever you want to decide to do with your own money, right? So bear me, guys. You have to be very cautious. You have to do your own research, right? Once you're ready, you just simply go and click activate copy trading, and this one will start copy trading this address, right? So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. And thank you very much for watching.